Hi, I'm Bonnie Gemmell,
And I'm Sarah Stanley.
and we have Spicer Bags in San Francisco, California.
We make cork and textile handbags. Our biggest inspiration for our designs are our customers. When we're out and about in San Francisco or traveling, we're always keeping an eye on what are people wearing in the real world. And so then we combine all those ideas into a mood board where we add in colors we're into, artists we're inspired by. And so that's kind of how we focus our vision for a new collection. The best part about being in the studio is coming up with new ideas, and pretty much as soon as we have a new idea, we can just test it immediately because our team is amazing. Like David is great with leather, and Tatiana can draw, and Ruby can sew pretty much anything.
And Quack's great at cutting.
Yeah.
Everybody sort of has their own little specialty. We have a good time. We do a lot of laughing while we're working. But probably the best part is being able to spend time with her. You know, it's kind of like a dream come true. What's unique about handmade products is that they're handmade. They're not made by a bunch of machines in a foreign country. And especially right here in the Bay Area, we've got such a vibrant makers market of people that are really striving to make more American-made products. So it's very important for us to be part of that network.